Transforming your ChatGPT conversations into Google Docs and sending them as PDFs to your email is a game changer for freelancers. Imagine having all your valuable insights organized and easily accessible. With just a few clicks, you can export your chats directly into a Google Doc, ensuring that nothing gets lost in the shuffle. Once your document is ready, converting it into a PDF is seamless, making it perfect for sharing with clients or keeping for your records. The best part? You can automate the process to send those PDFs straight to your email, saving you time and effort. This means you can focus more on your projects and less on managing your conversations. Streamlining your workflow like this not only enhances productivity, but also adds a professional touch to your communication. So why not take advantage of this simple yet effective solution? Your future self will thank you for it.